My name is Cassie Van Lendt. I am the Operations Manager for 2 Feet and a Heartbeat Walking Tours. 2 Feet and a Heartbeat Walking Tours started in 2007. They've now evolved into a multi-award-winning company. We have a wide range of tours. Some of them run every day, Monday to Sunday. Some of them run weekly or monthly. For example, our Coffee, Culture and Art tour, that runs Tuesday to Sunday. We have our Perth Arcades and Laneways tour, which is 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Our World of Whisky tour is run once a month, and our Perth Crimes and Fremantle Crimes tour are run on the weekends. The thing that surprises our guests the most is not only learning a little bit about the history, but finding out little alleyways and local produce that they haven't tried before. I think that's always the most exciting part. Just your excitement. That's the only thing you need to bring. Other than comfortable walking shoes and appropriate clothing, you don't need to bring anything else on the tour.